special event. Ding, ding, ding. Spraying your face with hairspray. This is by far the best setting spray that you will ever find out there on the market.
Stop! Wait! Now, is hairspray really good for you? Well, I picked out 6 selected brands, everything from cheaper to more expensive hairsprays. And I've gone truthfully through all the ingredients and I'm about to list them up for you. Now this is one of the 2 polymers often used in hairspray. Combined with dimethyl ether, alcohol and water, it makes the base of the hairspray. Aminomethylpropanol serves several purposes in hairspray. It acts as a buffering agent, which controls the pH balance. It also keeps the polymers mixed with the water and alcohol and controls that the water is put out in a nice, even touch. I've been around in the stores buying cheaper and more expensive brands of hairspray. In my cheaper ones, you would expect there to be less product, wouldn't you now? One of the ingredients you would find in every hairspray picked out is actual alcohol denant. That works as an anti-foaming agent that will avoid it from being stuck up with foam when you spray it out and instead getting nice particles. Ironic enough, Got2b was actually the one I found with the least products in it. Blasting Freeze hairspray, which will spray particles all over your hair. It's fantastic for wigs though, I must say. It does wonders to fake hair. To real hair on the other hand, it will seem rather sticky. Now on the other hand, I did also buy a hairspray that I know my grandma has been using for ages. I figured, why not? My grandma's been using it. It must be good, right? Ironic enough, is actually one of the ones with the most unknown factors in it. I found a lot of products in here I've never actually heard about before, and I'm about to list up a few of them. Only 2 of my 6 hairsprays does have silicone in it, and it's not even called silicone. No, because silicone is actually named by Dimicone, and it's only found in my Got2b Made for Mess and my Elnet L'Oreal. Dimidicone is a silicone-based polymer which is mainly man-made. However, you can find it in several cooking oils as well as processed food and even in, guess it, fast food, such as chicken nuggets and french fries. Yummy! The funny thing about these 2 is actually the fact that this one is a texturing hairspray and this is a volume one, while the other ones, which claim to have strong hold or just generally be a good hairspray, does not have silicone. Another thing that I have in common with my texturizing and volume hairspray is the fact that both of them has benzene. Now, benzene is a solvent, which means being a liquid that dissolves other substances, as well as the fact that it is a fragrance ingredient, for not talking about the fact that it preserves. The biggest difference I found between my texturizing hairspray and my volume hairspray is the fact that my volume focuses a lot around fragrances. 1/3 of it is perfume alone. But I do have to say, it does smell lovely. While my texturizing hairspray has glycerin, also known as glycerol. It's a hair conditioning as well as temporary skin protection. It also is what you call a decrease agent, which means that it decreases the thickness of liquids in cosmetic products. In other words, thanks to glycerin, you don't have a lot of lumps in here. The thing that actually surprises me the most after looking into all the ingredients is the fact that I can't find anything that's super harmful. Most things are rather fine or actually pretty good, such as panthenol, which gives the skin a soft and smooth appearance, as well as improving the texture of physically or even of chemically damaged hair. The best part about it all is the fact that it's only actually in my 2 cheapest hairsprays. After a quick testing of all the hairsprays, I must say there's quite some favourites. The cheapest ones don't actually score as bad as you think. It gives you a nice even spray as well as the fact that it actually does stick. Conclusion of the day, there's really nothing to worry about. I would stay away from face though, because a lot of people report to have gotten blizzards as well as cracky skin. So let's proceed.